In this video, I'll show you how to buy gift cards on Tremendous. So to do this, just sign into your Tremendous account, and from there, you want to click on Send Rewards in the top left. Now here you have two options. You can do digital rewards or physical Visa cards. So just select whichever one you want to do. I'll do digital and send it via email. From there are three steps. Firstly, campaign, then recipients, and then payment method. So first, click Create Campaign. And now you can choose what kind of gift cards you want to send. You can do prepaid physical or virtual Visa cards. You can select a specific type of Visa card where they have a lot of them, over 23. You can also do charity donations. But for example, if I want to send Amazon gift cards, I can just select that. What I can also do is just click on this icon and then it will select all of them. The person can decide themselves what they want to spend it on, but for this example, I set it to Amazon and Starbucks. From there, click Continue. Now here, you can design your reward page. You can choose the color right here, then you can set the headline and the message right there. You can also go and upload your logo here, and from there, just click Continue after you have designed it. Then you can design your email itself. I'll just continue here again. Then, you can give this template a name and then click Save Campaign. So after creating your campaign, you can then click on Recipients and Add Recipients. Now here, you can upload a CSV file or spreadsheet to bulk upload the recipients, but you can also enter them manually. You then also add the amount for how much the gift card should be for every single person. And then here, enter their name. So you can add first name and last name, whatever you want to do, then click Add. Now, you can just add more if you need and then click Continue. Then, just finally select a payment method. You can add funds to your balance or you can use a bank account or credit card. And from there, you can send a test email if you want. So for now, just add the payment method. After doing that, you can then go and confirm the payment, and then the gift cards will be sent out to the recipients that you added. So now you know how to buy gift cards on Tremendous. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.